I'm Betty, and I first came to Joy Wellness Partners for a stellate ganglion block. I didn't know I needed it, but I found out from a brain scan that was done here that I wasn't sleeping well. My brain waves were never resting deeply enough for me to dream. And that made sense because since I've been a mother of 6 children, I haven't slept very well for the past 10 or 15 years. So when I got that stellate and I started dreaming the night after I received it, I was really happy. And then from there, I started getting hormone pelleting. And the hormone pellets have also helped with the sleeping. I don't have an anxious lump in my throat constantly. Very little shortness of breath, but the very best thing about the pellets is that my diabetes blood sugar levels stay far more stable when I'm well treated. A few months ago, I did not come in for my pellets when I should have. I waited too long, and as a result, I was unconscious and had to be tended to by EMT providers. So all of that to say, I feel as though I'm healthier, I'm sleeping better, my blood sugar levels are managed, and taking the supplements has been crucial because liver counts that were high have come down. I don't need to feel as though I have to get a liver ultrasound and all of those things that I was expecting to get. So all in all, my experiences with Joy Wellness Partners have been just tremendous, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Carol, and all of the team.
Thank you.